video. This is something I had been looking forward to, which is I finally got my seals for the correct year. I had ordered seal and this showed up and it was for the wrong year, but now, and these are 10 millimeters with the washer. So I have these two guys here. I had cleaned this up just with, you know, really fine grit, with a wire brush and really fine grit sandpaper, and this will of course take adjustment. But you know, this seal is a little half circle, goes on there. This one goes on like this, and then it's going to go onto my hood. Let's see if I can get this. The sun is a little bit funky here, but it's going to go like this and this. And I've got to tilt this up a little bit. Let's see. Try to get this thing attached. Well, this front one, well, it seems like there's there's a little nub here on the back that this rubber thing has to go over. This one seems easy. Okay, so it's gonna go like that and that. Let's see. This one's kind of annoying, it keeps falling out. Here, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the. So this thing goes like this. The two 10 millimeters. Put the first one through here. This one seems to be giving me a little bit more trouble staying in the right spot. That seems fine. And the second one, and this here. Let's see if I can slide this under. Oh, okay. Hand tighten this first one a little too much to get the other one under. Okay, here we go. Looks good. Put this one on. Everything lines up here, hopefully. Alright, that seems perfect. So then I have my 10 millimeter box wrench here. Just tighten this down. The lock washer on this, it's just a regular washer, but it seems like it probably stays fine. Let's make sure. Good. That one seems good. So look at this closely. The underside looks good. You can see all those clips and everything. And then here on the top side, looks really good with the two rubber seals, and that all seems to be in the right place. And this, of course, you know, there's a little bit of pockmark, a little bit of age related, but that's not too different from, if you look at my T handle over here, look at that one. So I like wet sanded this down, and so it's nice and flat, well, somewhat flat, but it has all these sort of pock marks. But you know, that's a solid piece of metal, and kind of like the age. So that is kind of the last thing on the hood to get that to get those seals and get that handle in place.